Welcome back guys. Today we have a Dell laptop. Here is the laptop. It's a 15.6-inch screen and the part number of this board is SKL/KBL 15341-1 and the problem is sound chip has been blown. The customer says he has inserted the sound speaker jack and the laptop boom, it is blown. So let's try to repair this laptop. I'll show you on the microscope how does it look like. So let's get started. So guys, let me show you quickly. Here is the IC which is blown, that is the amplifier IC, and if we check the board on the buzzer mode, so 3.3 and 5 volt coil is beeping. One coil is beeping here and the other one is there is no beep. So here one is beeping and this coil is completely beeping, it is 0. And if we check processor related coils, it is 0.08, here 15, here also 8, so 8 ohms resistance. Elsewhere there is no beep. So and the RAM coil also there is no beep. The resistance is 395. So here I think this is the 3.3 volt, this is beeping and this one is completely beeping, and this processor is having the PCH inside. So I am doubtful if this board can be repaired. So first let's remove this and we will see behind as well. Here also if you can see there is a mark of burning. It seems it has gone beyond the board, the other side of the board. So let's quickly remove the chip and see if we can fix this board. So here you can see the impact of this shorting. It is gone upside down. It is gone beyond the IC. If I turn it backside, you can see the mark which was showing, and probably it has gone below inside the board. So that is why I am doubtful. Anyway, let's remove the IC and see if the shorting goes. So we have removed the IC. Actually it's a weird case where the customer says that he has inserted the jack on the audio jack and the IC has blown. This is the amplifier IC and he has another laptop which is blown due to the same thing. So both the laptops are with me. Now first we are trying to fix this Dell laptop. The another laptop also is a Dell laptop which we will fix it if we finish this one. Okay, the legs are clean. Now let's measure the coils. The beep continues here. and the 3.3 volt line is still short. Now what we can do? Now what we do is just check it out on the schematic whether this is a 3.3, and we will inject the voltage here. So let's remove the heat sink quickly. So we have removed the coil now. Now let's put the voltage on the 3.3 coil. Let me confirm whether it's a 3.3 coil. PL4502. Yeah, it is a 3.3 coil. Now let's inject the voltage. Now the short is this side. We will solder the we will inject the voltage here. Now I am turning on the DC, and the DC is 1.5 volt. So let's check it out. What is hitting? It is taking 1.16 ampere. So as I doubted, guys, it is the PCH. The PCH is gone in this case. This coil is giving us zero resistance, and the 3.3 coil is beeping. So if we apply 1.5 volt here, this part is heating, and if I make it almost 2 volt, yeah, it is heating. So without wasting time, guys, this is how we have to find out whether it can be repaired or not. This board is no fix. So guys, by this you can find it out how to save your time by quickly finding out whether it's a repairable job or not. This coil is giving very low resistance, and 3.3 volt is also giving the beep. That is why I thought to just check it out quickly this way. So I found out that the problem is on the chipset itself. So this is how we can save our time. Hope you learned something important from this video. Please give a like to the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.